Greetings. This is a video about the bird. The bird is an interesting character, a dangerous character, a deceptive character. The bird manipulates the main character, and that turns out to be a mistake. But I don't want to spoil the story. The origin of the bird is still a mystery. I have some ideas about the origin of the bird, but at this point I have not yet revealed the bird's origin. The origin of the bird will be revealed in the sequel to the first book. As of 2025, the sequel has not been written yet. The bird is not as powerful as characters that appear later in the story. However, in the first part of the story, the bird is the most formidable character that the main character encounters. The bird is ancient. The bird is highly intelligent. The bird has many secrets. Some of those secrets are revealed in the first novel, and some of the bird's secrets will be revealed in the sequel, which has not been released yet. The bird is a character from a novel called Goddessverse. The Goddessverse is a universe of goddesses. Here is a picture of the cover of the book. This is the book cover. The bird is the first magical character that Amy encounters. The bird is the one that introduces Amy to magic. And if you don't know who Amy is, then you should watch the video that I made about her. The bird is not in the story for very long, but the bird is a fascinating character, a character that I would like to write more about in the sequel. The bird is called the bird because Amy gives that name to the bird. But technically, the bird is actually not a bird. The bird is a pterosaur. A pterosaur is not technically a bird, but Amy refers to this particular pterosaur as the bird, and that becomes the name of the character. If you would like to read the story, then you can go to Amazon and type in Goddessverse or Jean Lewis Bell, and the book should appear in the search results. Goddessverse is a fantasy novel. It's not really possible to categorize the book because it is unlike anything else. It's different from any other type of book that's ever been written. The power of the bird is awesome.